Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG0787S in color code 002. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are brown. These glasses are also an oval shape. You also find the Gucci logo on its top right lens engraved, and its bridge is gold. Its temples are also gold, and you'll find the Gucci logo on its temples. Its temples are gold and the temple tips are plastic. This is the inside of the frame, and the lens has a gold trimming. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 61 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold. A Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.